Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to toggle the touchpad on Lenovo Legion. To toggle the touchpad, you need to go to your key. There are two ways actually. So the one is with your keyboard by pressing on Fn and F11 at the same time. It will toggle the touchpad, and as you can see, now as I'm moving on the touchpad it does not work. And as I click on it again, it will work. But you can also go to the settings. I'm gonna show you how to go to the settings and with the mouse, and then how to go to the settings using keyboard since your touchpad does not work. So go to Bluetooth and devices, then touchpad, and now you can disable it. Now as I click on Fn and F11, it does not turn on the touchpad because these two methods work separately. So I'm gonna click on Alt and F4 on my keyboard in order to close that up. Then click on the Windows key to go to the Windows menu and type in settings. Once they are on the very top, you can click on Enter. Then click on Tab until you're pointing on Home. If you go too far, you can also click on Shift and Tab to go back. So go to Home, then use arrows to go to Bluetooth and devices and click on Enter. Then click on Tab until you're pointing on devices. Then use the arrows to go down to the touchpad, click on Enter and click on Space now. And now the touchpad should be working again. So either of these two options should be working. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.